Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and Blue is up here. He's not often up here, but this is day one of my Advent Calendar series for the 12 Days of Christmas, which it depends on who you listen to, what you read. Some people like to do the 12 Days of Christmas, December 1 to December 12. Some like to do December 13 to December 25. Some like to start on Christmas Day and go out by 12 days. I was taught as a kid, at least my remembrance, I could be wrong. My mom sometimes watches my videos. If she sees this, she can correct me. But I was taught that the 12 Days of Christmas starts December 26th, the day after Christmas. And it's Boxing Day, and it ends on January 6th, which is the Epiphany, which is when the three kings reach baby Jesus. So that's what I'm going to do with this calendar. Is this is going to go December 26th to January 6th. So in this calendar, this is all I have is this. So you're going to see this every day at 12 o'clock noon Central Time, just like I did with the last calendar. And Blue, come on. He's got his foot stuck in the hang on. Just like we did with the 25 Days of Christmas Macy's Advent Calendar, this is the 12 Days of Christmas Macy's Advent Calendar. And I received this beautiful calendar from CC Strauss Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And I will be tagging them every day. So please go see them. If you don't know them, go see them. They're wonderful channels. They're dear friends of mine. And they do unboxings, they do Mass Mondays, they do lots of hauls, they do mystery boxes, all kinds of fabulous stuff. They're just wonderful, wonderful ladies. You will really enjoy their channels. I suspect that you already know them. I'm just laughing because Smudge was just here. It's just, it's comical with these cats. Anyway, so I'm going to tell you now how this works. I'll tell you in a few other videos also, like my Mass Monday and my Friday Night Gab, to remind you how this is going to work is during December 26th through January 6th. There will be other videos. The Advent Calendar videos will run at noon Central Time every day. And there may or may not be a giveaway item in there. This is called the Christmas Treasure Hunt. I'm still going to call, maybe we can call it something different than the Christmas Treasure Hunt so it doesn't get confused. Maybe we'll call it the Advent Christmas Hunt. How's that sound? And then that way it doesn't get confused with the Christmas Advent, I can't even say it myself, the Christmas Treasure Hunt, which ended on Christmas Day. But you can still get your lists to me by December 28th at midnight Central Time. Okay, so today is December 26th. I know I'm gonna mess this up, y'all. So if you have any questions, please ask me. And like I said, I'll have other videos. I'm gonna do my Mass Monday for today. Already told some of it. So I'll try to, if anybody has any questions, ask me and then I'll explain. So instead of 25 days, there's 12 days. And then so the other videos that I do regularly, as I get things in the mail, my, Ipsy, Boxy, whatever comes in the first 6 days of January, which may not be much of anything, honestly. There will be other videos and there will be bonuses. So what you have to do is, if you're interested in playing this game, is you list the days 1 through 12, whatever's easiest for you. But say, for example, day 1, there's no bonus. I'm saying the wrong words already. Say we're gonna open something today. And if there's nothing today, then you just have it blank. You'll just tell me, say day 3, day 10, day 12, have something in it. You tell me day 3 and what it is, day 12 and what it is. You don't have to name the days that don't have anything. And if you'd like to win the bonus items, which I want whoever wins, I want them to win every single thing. But if you don't want the bonus items, you don't have to watch the other videos. If you want the bonus items, you have to watch the other videos and see what they are and then write them down. Again, you don't have to say necessarily like, Mary, you're on your Boxycharm video, you showed such a shampoo. or, you know, you can just say bonus items, shampoo, you know, whatever. And I will try to, at the end, tell you, this is how, you know, there'll be some, like I did with the Christmas the Christmas treasure hunt. Okay, so we're all gonna mess up because I keep messing up. I can't expect you not to mess up. So we're gonna mess up some, but you have to be, how about you have to be pretty close to get your name in the bucket. We'll do it that way, okay? And I'll try to help you along because I want y'all to win, you know? I mean, I'm not here to be a pain, but what I thought of when I did this originally was, it seemed like I just want, you know, as a creator on YouTube, what we need for you to do, this is all channels, we need you to watch our videos in full. We need you to like our videos, and we need you to subscribe. That's how we grow. So I've always heard, I don't know how it works, but if you like a video, or if you dislike, that's okay too. That is showing showing some interest in the video, and with that, then supposedly YouTube pushes us up and out there. So when I open my phone every day, there's a few videos that are listed there, and they're usually the people that I watch the most. That's usually what the case is. It might be somebody that I just watched like last night, maybe just met them last night, and then it'll show a couple of their videos, you know, like that. So the hope is that you watch me, and for your troubles, hopefully you'll win. Now I know everyone can't win, so all right, let's get into this. This is going to be a long video, so this will be the only one that will be long. From now on, most of them will be under 5 minutes, especially since I just have one calendar, whereas, you know, in the Christmas one I had 2 calendars going. So isn't this beautiful? First of all, and I did see originally, I saw what was in this calendar, and it says on the back, but I'm not looking at the back. This was a $50 calendar, and then it went on sale for half price. It's just so pretty, y'all. And long story, you've probably already heard it, but I was gifted this and the 25-day Macy's calendar by Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece Straw Size Life for my birthday. And I'm so grateful to them because I had ordered an advent calendar that didn't get to me. It finally came, and there was a big mess with that, but I didn't show that advent calendar. I'm not going to talk about that advent calendar because I'm mad at them. So Cece and Laura saved the day for me. So I love this. Now this one opens a little. The other one was red. This one is, see how this comes off like this, okay? Isn't that globe just so pretty? It looks, you know, 3-dimensional. And then this is what it looks like here, okay? And it opens, let me see if I can remember, because I did look at it one time. Okay, it opens like this. Oops. Okay, and then we're gonna take out number 1. And there's often these things you can pinch and what have you. So let's, if I can do it, we'll pinch it and see what it is. Okay. And this is what it is. I also wanted to show you the other calendar had this as well. There's this bonus gift, it says. And what that is a gift card, if you will. It's a money off to shop at Macy's. It's $10 off your next $10 beauty purchase. And it's good through February 15th of 2023. I think the other one is the same as well. I don't know if I can use both at the same time. And they have a lot of great sales going on right now. So I may find something and I may not, and I may pass that on to someone else. We will see. So this is what I have in here. And hang on a minute. If you, okay. The first item in our, I can't even remember what I called it, y'all. Advent Treasure Hunt. The first item is this. Now this, let me show it to you what it is. This is from Flourish, and it's beautiful. It's from C.R. Gibson, and look at how cute that is. And then this is the inside, and let me show you how this works. You pull these strings, and it closes like that, and you can take that with you. It is for jewelry, or it's for makeup. It says it's a jewelry pouch, but you could use this for other things, I believe. It opens pretty big. This is as big as it opens, okay? And it's beautiful inside. See, and then, okay, smudge, let me show. There's bigger pockets and smaller pockets, okay? So you can put your rings, your bracelets, your necklaces in there, and then you can put things in the center. And then you just, take that with you on vacation or wherever, to the gym or wherever. And then you just pull these beautiful tabs here and close it back up, okay? So that's the first item in the Advent treasure hunt. And what was in the calendar is this. This is the Poor Professional. This is what I get this all the time, although I haven't gotten it in a while. But what is the brand of this? I should know. It's Benefit. Okay, sorry. It's Benefit brand. This is a teensy tiny cute thing. It's the Poor Professional, it's called, because it's a pore primer. So it's supposed to help, clear up your, fill in your pores, I think, as a primer. And people rave about this primer. They say it's fantastic. So that's our first item from the Advent calendar. And I know this is very, very long, and I apologize for that, y'all, but I wanted to explain what I'm doing. And I don't even know if I explained it properly. So like I said, look for other videos. If you need a full explanation, if you have any questions, just ask me. The rules, as always, are the same. They're always in my description of my videos. 18 years or older, you have to be subscribed publicly to me. This will end January 6th. That's when the last video will go up, January 6th. And we'll say midnight, just in case I have other videos that day that might have a bonus item in them, okay? And then I will let this go. I should have looked at the calendar. I will let this go, let's say December 10. So you have the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, and the 10th to get me your list. December 10 at midnight. I don't know what day of the week that is. I didn't look. I forgot to look. I think it might be a Tuesday. But anyway, I'll tell that in another video. So it will end at midnight. So I need to have your list of the Advent items. That's what gets you into the bucket. If you want any of the bonus items, you can list all of them or you can list none of them. That'll be up to you. And that is it. And happy holidays, happy new year. And I love y'all so much, and count your blessings. And like I said, ask me any questions, because I know I messed that up.